Today I'm going to be replacing my passenger turn signal assembly with a brand new one on this 2012 Toyota Prius. To get access to this assembly, you're going to have to remove your front bumper with the plastic trim. I already covered that on the horn replacement video where you had to remove the front bumper and the plastic trim to get access to the horn. So it's the same procedure where you have to remove the front bumper to get access to the assembly right here. Alright, once you get access to the assembly, go ahead and press on this tab up and out and unplug the harness. And for this bottom one, it's a little tricky, I'll have to show you. Alright, to get the bottom tab out, you have to pry this plastic piece right here with a flathead screwdriver. So you stick this flathead screwdriver in here. I don't know if you can see it. And then you just pry it. Pry it and pull. Alright, the only thing left is squeezing this tab right here and pulling out. Now to get the assembly, go ahead and pull the front bumper and take it out. Now you want to compare the two, make sure they're the right one. And then you want to transfer the trims, the plastic trim onto the new one. As you can see, the old one is cracked right here. It's very common for the Prius to have a crack housing for some odd reason. I'm not sure why. Just like all Prius have a left rear bumper scratch. Alright, once you're done, you just have to remove the two Phillips screws, 1 and 2 on the bottom and another 2 on the top. To remove this connector from the housing, push down and out. To remove this, press the tab, out, and it's out. There you go. Transfer onto the new one. Make sure when you're putting this one in, it goes into this tab and also this tab right here. Alright, now all the plastic trims has been transferred. This is what it looked like. So when you're done transferring all this, don't forget to swap out this bulb as well, because the new one's not going to come with it. Some doesn't come with it. Also, I forgot to mention about this clip that I took out before I did the job. Make sure to put this one back before you put this clip in, or else it won't fit. So make sure to put this one in first and then you put this clip. So putting back is just the reverse of how you took it out. After you're done putting the assembly back, go ahead and make sure it works. And then you put your bumper back in and your top trim. And it works.